Here we go. This is the third part of Hot Off the Truck for August 1st. It's Wheel Collectors. Yes, we have another video tonight besides this one. But this right here is the Marvel M case. There's some newbies in here. I think it's pretty cool. You guys might want to check this out. 8 cars in the case of M. Let's take a look here. Here's a top-down view. Try to get you some light on it. You guys like those top-down views, been telling me. Okay, 8 cars in the case. There's some recycle, but there's some new stuff as well. So, we've got Captain America with the shield. I believe that was in one of our other cases of Marvel. We've got Cable, and I think that came out a couple years ago, but this might be a redo. So, Cable, who's a fan favorite of Marvel. Do a little time travel. Iron Man, as seen in Avengers Infinity War. I think that was also been out before, a case or two ago. Here we go. Brand new character car. This is Gambit. It's his first appearance. Pretty sweet. Everybody loves Gambit. The next one is also new. It's Spider-Man with the web. Web Shooter, it says. Slinging Web Shooter. It's pretty sick. Okay. We got another Spider-Man. And then the last 2 cars in the case are right here. That's the end of that box. It's Wolverine with the claws, which we've had before. And then it's Spider-GWEN from the animated movie. I don't know if you guys saw that one, but it was unbelievable. So, we'll do a top-down view of this case. Check this out. It's our third hot off the truck. The ones on the left have been in the cases before. The ones on the right are brand new, I believe. So, as you know, thank you very much. We're doing a huge giveaway in the next week. Be sure you're subscribing, commenting. Check it out. Thank you.